Hi everybody, I'm Renee and I'm the co-leader here at Westfall Plaza, and I am introducing our Black History display. As we go down the road here, this is our journey. We first introduce our STL stars and our STL ancestors. As we move along, we have Martin's Dream and we have Maya Angelou, and it's just all of our balloons depict the colors of our history. And at the end, we have our table here of all our ethnic owned businesses that are displayed in our building and are sold in our building.
First impression of the wall is it is very creative because you don't really see a lot of posters and creativeness at other stores, and it honestly feels like a really good and really big impact on people that you see in the store, because whenever they see this, it's like, oh, I've never seen this at any other store, so they can come up to it and look and learn things about Black history that they never knew about.
I decided when I came here shortly 3-4 months ago that it was something I was passionate about. So my goal for our customers and our teammates was to experience freedom and to experience the opportunity to revisit our journey here, our ancestors' journey.
I love it. It just really seems like she cares so much about, Black history and all of us as teammates, and it just really feels like nobody's better than Renee, honestly, when it comes to this stuff. So I just feel like she really did so good, and she cares so much and really cares about the impact.
We're encouraging here at Westfall Plaza and for our entire company for everybody to engage. This is our knowledge, this is our power, so everybody get involved. Reach one, teach one.